goodness, look at this cute little boy. This looks lovely. Did you make the headpiece?
I did.
Gorgeous.
I brought it all the way from Ireland.
Amazing. And where did you get your ensemble?
Online in Ireland.
Oh, I love that. Thank you so much for your time.
Ryan and Molly.
You look stunning. I love your outfits. Thank you so much.
And how did you get him to come in a hat? One year.
Wow, they brought the cat too. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, look at this cute little boy.
No, they get nervous.
Thanks for the kisses.
Oh wow, look at those. There's also a gumball machine. You guys look awesome. Purple's my favorite color. Thank you so much. You guys look amazing. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so I was just on an electric city bike because I'm actually on my lunch break. So I biked all the way through the parade with a bike with a million people around me. And I went to get the content to see what they were wearing for the parade. I'm gonna go back inside and have like 10 minutes left of my lunch, but I wanted to show you guys what I was wearing. So I'm wearing this mohair pastel crochet hat that I got from somebody that I interviewed, so check out that YouTube video. And then I thrifted this vintage rabbit fur reversible coat, and I also thrifted this lavender scarf. And my coworker today told me that I looked like a giant Easter egg, so I think it was very fitting. And I'm just wearing like, you know, a gray dress. I have to wake up at 4 in the morning to get to work by 6, so I really could not put a lot of effort into my outfits. I would have loved to put makeup on, but nonetheless, I got, I think, the best outfits of the parade. I did what I could given the time that I had. So at the end of the day, I hope that you can appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.